Thank you for your purchase of the Lamplighter Flasher Starter Kit. I hope this will be very helpful for you on your layout. So I'm going to describe to you what's inside the Lamplighter Flasher Starter Kit. It will contain not only the unit itself and power supply, but will also contain fiber and connecting pins for those fiber into the box, depending upon what you select. So let's open the box up and see what's inside. Inside the box will be the user manual. So the user manual obviously describes the whole product. Let's set that aside for a moment. And then there is the quick set configuration table. This will be very helpful as we go through understanding what's inside. And then let's take a look at the components. So inside the box is the unit itself, the power supply, as well as some wires that allow us to connect various components to the box.